To miss this view is our greatest fight. It's not so much the quilt itself. It can be placed upon a shelf. But who is she who hung it there, hoping we would stop and stare, seeking something deep within herself? It is she whose heart we have neglected. Her handiwork ignorantly rejected, and her nightly sighs when day's work is done, her energy depleted, no time for fun, and her prize, her quilt, left uninspected. By Herman Hochgrave, pseudonym.